Guys, we made it back for the other 55. Cheapest oval you're gonna find. 500 bucks. Still full of stuff. Looks like we got a 36 case. Couple, yeah, another 36. I guess he left all this stuff in there. It's a non-semaphore. No paperwork with this one. Does have the bullet front fenders. That one's pretty mangled, but no gas tank. Partial tray is not completely terrible. Does have a body tag. Bucket's pretty cashed out. But hey, we'll take it. And it gave me an excuse to come back up here and get some Vermont sun on my face and fresh air. Foliage is just starting to pop up here. It's absolutely beautiful. So I totally jinxed myself this morning. I said easy peasy. And I saw something dangling in the rear view mirror, or the side mirror rather, out the corner of the trailer. It looked like a strap or something. So apparently my winch cable had found its way there on the highway. By the time I pulled over, my axle strap and Badlands hook had come off. Yeah, poor little fella probably kept up for a mile or two. So, now we're gonna use gravity. We're going downhill. I'm gonna go old school and give it the push. And hopefully we stick the landing. Might need a bigger run. I was a little gun shy. Oh, you guys fell over. Where are you? You didn't even see this happen. Welcome back, guys. It's the next day. I'm out here in the 55. Last night, you know, when you're on the couch, feeling good, you order all the parts for the project. Yeah, that was expensive. So, what a way to kick off 25. Broke. But I did watch some of my older videos with Larry. Larry helped me with that 58 ragtop, remembering what Larry showed me. So, we're gonna tackle at least the chassis on this car. Pans, rockers, it needs, you know, the inner fender wells, cross members. Luggage tray, super solid. I mean, that's better than my 58 was. Looks pretty good. Front firewall is pretty solid. A couple holes with the Yukon Cornelius pickaxe. A little bit of fab work on the rear rockers. So I just want to wish you guys Happy New Year. Hopefully you're seeing this today. It's the first day of the new year. So make it a great New Year day, and we will see you guys soon, hopefully with an update on Saturday. All right, guys, take care. Thanks again. I got to get back to work. I don't even know what month this thing is. We got a 088. 088. It's got snowflakes, no semaphore, so it's probably a mid 55. That's my guess. It's rare. Low production car. I'm babbling. What color is this? This beige? It's almost like a white. We'll go with rusty beige. Yeah. Starting 2025 off right. Broke. Sitting in a pile of rust. That's what I like. Attracted to rust and crust. Why don't you use an impact? Oh, because I don't want to break these off inside. Yeah. Don't want to do that. Yeah. Might have to get some heat on this one. Oh yeah, and one more thing. There you are. I did not cut up that car in the intro. It was already cut up when I got it. I would never cut that car up. And I didn't cut the yellow Ghia nose you can see there. That is a Ghia I bought 2 years ago. Part. Came with the car that I've yet to pick up. As a matter of fact, there's a Ghia from 2016 in Staunton, Virginia. If anyone's down there with like a free Carmen Ghia, I have the title. I'll send you the title. You just go get the car. I'm just not driving back down to Staunton. That's like 9-something hours. So Staunton. Pretty sure it's right off 81. So yeah, I did not cut the cars up. We're saving cars. We're fixing cars, okay? Oh yeah, we're gonna have to get some heat on those. The sweet smell of rubber burning. That smells terrible. What do you give it? Oh, I don't know. Pull a little tighter, then a little looser. I'm not going to say anything. I feel like we're making progress. I don't want to jinx myself though. I'm going to go with that. Get a little more juice. I was going to use the Kroll Sam, but I just didn't have the patience to pour it into a... Alright, that's all I'm going. I'm not pushing my luck. I could reheat it. That's it. That's all I got. I do like to push my luck. I really do. We gotta at least get one out, right? This one's coming out. I gotta at least get one out so I can sit and eat wings and shrimp on a Barbie. All right. That's it. Here's your CT close up. There you go, guys. Happy New Year. We'll see you soon. 1 down, 3 to go. I'm gonna keep going. I'll see you guys in 2025. Well, here it is, guys. Larry's new project. 55. We think it's a Euro car. Larry's trying to figure out if the...
April 55 on the speedo.
Oh, so maybe it is the right one.
But it's in miles per hour.
Yeah. You can see it had hearts, which I did get. What's left of it over here. You can see the hearts in there. Heart taillights. Yep. 1087, I think.
1087.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
So the beam has been changed.